How to use Janitor AI on mobile 2025. Now, if you want to use Janitor AI for yourself on your mobile devices, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get yourself started off right away. Now, to use Janitor AI, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to their application and it's going to look something like this. So this is what it looks like, right? So here you have your account section. Right here, you can create your very own custom AI. Right here, you can see all of your chats and talk to their chat bot, which is basically ChatGPT. And right here, you can talk to the characters other people have created. So once we're over here, let's say you want to talk to some kind of character, right? So I'm going to go over to game, or you can go over to celebrity. And right about here, you can choose any celebrity or anime game or any type of character that you want to talk to. It's pretty cool, and it's a pretty fun place to have chats with other characters or other proper API bots. So go ahead and choose any character. Let's say I'm going to choose this one, and what you can pretty much do over here is right, hi, what's now the best part about all of this is that you can also go over to your microphone option that they give you on the bottom right section, and you can pretty much talk to them in a voice chat as well. They won't reply to you in a voice chat, but you can talk in a voice chat, which is pretty cool. So that is how you're going to use Janitor AI on your mobile devices. So if you want to use Janitor AI for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.